6 floral nail ideas, fun, easy and super pretty. Let's start with the cat eye top coat and grab that magical shine using the magnet. Now with the white liner gel, I'm drawing two diagonal lines, just like you see here. Time for petals. I'm using red gel and adding them layer by layer. Cure, add more cure again, until our little flower comes to life. Black and yellow center, then pull tiny lines. This gives the flower that natural sun-kissed vibe. Shade with darker green. Look how the leaves pop. Add fine white veins, it makes everything come alive. And finally, a glossy top coat to lock everything in, we're done. If you enjoyed this look, don't forget to subscribe for more nail inspo. Let's start with a glittery base on black, so sparkly already. Now with white gel, I'm sketching a tiny rosebud and filling it softly. Cute, right? To paint it red. This is where the rose starts glowing. Adding darker red for shading makes the rose look richer. If you love roses, drop a heart in the comments. Let's outline with fine white lines, petals pop instantly. Time for some green leaves and a stem. Our rose is coming alive. Add a second green for shading. Little details change everything. Finish with top coat, sprinkle glitter, cure it and we're done. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you love floral nails. First, cover half the nail with tape, super easy trick. On the other half, I'm applying burgundy gel. We'll need a few layers since it's over black. Before curing, I'm dusting on some gold glitter. Instant glam, right? Hit the like if you love glitter nails. Now carefully peel off the tape so crisp and clean. I'm drawing a thin golden line right in the middle. This makes it so elegant. Now for the leaves. I'm picking up green and white together with one stroke. The leaves fade from white to green. Now for the flower, picking up burgundy with white for the petals. They fade from white tips into a deep red center. So elegant. Have you tried one stroke before? Tell me in the comments. Hey there! I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and left a comment. Your support means so much and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. A few golden dots in the flower center, tiny but gorgeous detail. Finish with top coat, shiny, classy, and done. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more floral nail ideas. Let's start with a candy green coat. Cure it just 5 seconds. We're making a velvet base. Add a few soft white dots at the tip. Cute little accent. Now paint a simple white flower. Keep it nice and bold. Before curing, sprinkle shimmer powder all over, then cure. Ta-da! Velvet effect. Do you love this texture as much as I do? Now let's paint the velvet flower. First yellow, then blend in orange for soft shading. No curing needed in between. Shimmer holds the color. For a stem. And a few spider gel lines to finish it up. Simple but gorgeous. Don't forget to like and comment if you're loving velvet nail art. First, place a thin gold strip down the middle. Now a matte top coat, perfect base for watercolor. On the right side, I'm blending watercolor shades for a fun, artsy background. Which colors would you pick? Let's draw a heart in black, half on color, half on white. I love this contrast. Adding little design inside the colorful half makes the heart pop even more. Now on the white side, I'm painting soft watercolor flowers. Just add color with a wet brush, then shape the petals. So dreamy. A few leaves with the same technique, so fresh and pretty. Tiny golden dots in the flower centers, simple but gorgeous detail. And finally, seal with top coat, shiny, colorful and done. Don't forget to like and comment if you'd wear this design. Starting with a jelly glitter base, then a soft reverse French fade, so chic. A matte top coat, this makes the surface perfect for watercolor. Now with a wet brush, I'm painting soft watercolor petals. Then with a drier brush, I shape the flowers, so dreamy. Do you love watercolor nails? A few watercolor leaves the same way, simple, soft and fresh. Adding a fine classic French line, tiny detail, big difference. Seal it with a glossy coat, but wait, don't cure yet. Sprinkle gold glitter around the flower, then cure it, so elegant and sparkly. Don't forget to like and comment if you'd wear this.